Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Toyota Yaris GR. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in, run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see it's a three-door car with those lovely gold alloy wheels, tinted windows around the rear of the vehicle as well. We're going to start off inside the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have those twin tailpipes, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on that left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre at the bottom, the total miles for this car are 23,069. We have a digital readout for the speedometer above that. You can change that information for various different menus using buttons on the steering wheel. The buttons in question are just here. We have our stereo controls and phone controls over that side as well. Over on the right hand side we have the cruise control, lane departure warning system as well. Into the center you'll then find the main touchscreen. So we have a few physical buttons down the right and left hand sides. So for example, if you want to access your phone, you can press the phone button and then you can pair a device from there. We've got a setup menu, we've got our home screen which takes you back to the main menu here, and then within that, audio, your phone, info, setup menus. You can adjust the volume here for the stereo. Below the main screen we've of course got the gear lever. If you put it into reverse, you'll see the full color reversing camera with guidelines showing you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image shown on the screen. At the very bottom here, our climate control, so we can adjust the passenger and driver temperature, increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed. Air conditioning's on at the minute, so that's off, back on again, or you can hit auto. The car will take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, and you can manually override that whenever you wish to. We have a USB input, a 12-volt charging socket. You can change the driving setup of the car from here. We have the 6-speed manual gearbox, and then through the middle, various other options, for example, your traction control, your stop and start, and you have this GR plate here in the middle, and then 2 cup holders. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. So firstly, in the envelope is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. We have the V5 registration document, of course, and then the service book with the first service, second, third and fourth, all done by Toyota. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.